Hello, my name is Mitchell Cohen, and today I'd love to show you my new application I've developed in Swift called MyLUT, or LUT. How it works is you decide an image you want to take the color grading from. The app will extract the lookup table from that image and let you download the associated .cube file. So you can use it in various softwares such as Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, Unreal Engine. Let's take a look at how it works. So, a lookup table is, simply put, it's a filter for your camera. So for this example, I've grabbed a couple screenshots from Google of some movies that I know have some pretty distinct color grading. I have an example from The Matrix, I have an example from the movie Seven, and I have an example from Dune. I also have a couple random images that we're going to use to apply the color grading to, just to take a look at, see if we like the way it looks. This is MyLUT. You can find how to use it here. However, I will show you right now. First things first, we load an image. Cool. As you can see, we have the image from the movie Seven here on the left. It says source. Now I'm going to load a preview image. This allows us to see if we like the color grading preset. After we've loaded both images, we'll choose the generate LUT button here. And as you can see, it applied the color grading. Currently, I only have 2 resolutions. The 33 will take a little bit longer. Let's try some other examples. I can load a different source image. Let's choose the Dune image, and then we'll choose Generate LUT again, and it will redo the calculations and apply it. As you can see, there's a little bit of a vibe change there. And I've included this little button so you can look at the effect off and on. So let's say we're happy with this. We'll choose the Export LUT. It'll give us a chance to rename it, and you can see it got created here. Let's get the Matrix. I'll save that. Matrix. And 7. Generate. Export. 7. Cool. And that's it. So now we can use these cube files in any software. I'm going to use the camera app Moment for my iPhone to demonstrate what these look like. So now I'm going to simply airdrop these to my iPhone. You can see they're right here. Sweet. So this is the Moment app for iPhone. I'm going to choose the LUT option here. This little option here at the top lets me choose the 3 I just downloaded. So now I can choose the 7 option. We got Dune. And we have The Matrix. Pretty cool. To download it and try it, we'll go to the GitHub page, which I will provide in the link below. Currently only for Mac, as it is written in Swift. However, we can go to the download link here. This is the same link as this releases on the sidebar, and we can download the app right here. Some next steps I plan on taking are adding more resolution options, as well as maybe a preset browser. If you have any questions or ideas, or ended up downloading it and it worked for you, let me know. Feel free to always ask questions. Peace.